Hey everybody, it's Kate from Katie Did.
Oftentimes when I'm out rock hunting, I'll say, ooh, this is going to look great cut. And then that's it. You don't get to see what's inside. So I decided it was time to pick out some of the agates that I've found, take a look, see if we can find something awesome. You know it's going to happen. Come along. This one looks pretty clear, but I think there might be a few little lines inside. And some of these little divots make it feel like there might be something worth looking at. So let's cut it, find out. For this one, I'm going to cut from this direction simply because of this little fortification look right here. So I'm hoping that that will give us something interesting and it'll give us the most amount of slabs. This old thing is a Phantom saw, and it was built by my dad in 1972 from a kit, and it is my very first saw, and one that I was so happy to get because then I could start cutting agates. And you can see here I didn't have the chain hooked up quite enough, so we're going to have to start it over again and finish cutting this agate. Oh, isn't that pretty? And it's even got some dendrites on the inside there. It's very, very hard to film because it's so shiny with oil. That's beautiful. Oh, how fun! I just like those. They're just kind of fun looking. Might be interesting to make a very big cabochon with the live edge in the middle there. That would be cool. Well, this explains why it has the hole in the middle. Pretty adorable. This one's a bit of a mystery. When I tried shining a light inside of it, well, let's just say nothing showed through. So it could have quite a lot of occlusions in here. It could have a lot of kind of little quartz lines like this. It is really, really hard to read. And that's okay, because we're going to cut it, find out what's inside. One of these little pockets here. This guy is truly a mystery, but you know, sometimes when there is really, like, you can't see through it very much at all, it means that there's a lot inside. So, fingers crossed, let's see what we can come up with. This little workhorse is the Highland Park PT-110. It's a 12-inch saw that's designed specifically to cut specimens beautifully, but it also works just as a regular slab saw. I absolutely love this little saw. As a matter of fact, I think I'm going to pick up another 12-inch saw from Highland Park eventually, just because it's so handy to be able to just put stuff in there and let it go. And it does, you can see it can cut pretty large rocks. So let's see what we can do here. Ooh, had the same problem here. I was cutting smaller stones. This is what turns the thing off once it gets to be cut, and I just miscalculated, so had to turn that one back on too. Whoa, that's gonna be so cool. This one is that crazy one that we couldn't read. I'm gonna be really happy with it. Oh my gosh, that is just beautiful. My goodness, just look at this. This is not at all what I was expecting out of this. It's got a nice coarse pocket here, but look at that. Look at that circle in there. An eye, I guess. The oil makes my camera not be able to focus very well, so I guess we'll get these ones cleaned up too. If you're enjoying this video, be sure and hit that like button, and subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss a thing. Katydid Rocks is now a Highland Park Lapidary affiliate. That means you can get 10% off rough rocks and accessories by putting the coupon code KatydidRocks when you order. You can also help support the channel if you feel like buying some lapidary equipment by putting Katydid Rocks into your purchase order. This one has some interesting patterns in it. I'm not really sure what to make of it. Yeah, see, it's got some really cool sort of fortification stuff in here. That is really interesting. This should be a good one to cut. I sure hope so. This big guy, you can see, has some sort of lines in here. There's a little bit of inclusions, some dendrites going on right there. Quite a lot of darkness. Darkness in the agate. I like that little window, but it's not showing us very much. And then over here, there's another patch where there's some fortification type stuff. So this agate has the possibility of being really, really good. But it also has the possibility of being a dud. It always works that way. Let's see what we can find. This big beast is my 20-inch saw. And this is also from Highland Park. And it is just for sure a beast. Looks like we might actually have some really nice stuff here. Oh yeah, I'm excited about that. Wow. Clean that up and get the oil off of it so you can see it better, but holy cow, that is really nice. Whoa. Now let's try this big guy. This one I think has lots going on inside. Could be really, really good. I always say that though. First peek is always fun. Ooh, that looks really dark. Hopefully it'll lighten up a little bit inside and give us some other colors. Or some other bands, something. Otherwise it'll be a big brown blob. It's a little bit like a bat. Well, that's getting better. This is kind of cool here. This streak looks almost like a comet, doesn't it? A comet into the night sky. Yeah, we can do something with that. Ooh, very dark, but look at that swoosh. It's almost like a UFO or something. And then there's some other stuff here that can be used too. Interesting. Very, very interesting. This beauty has a lot of kind of different bands in it, but I'm hoping that inside there's also going to be some nice dendrites that we can ooh and ah about. So let's get it cut. Oh yeah, this is going to have something in it for sure. You just never really can tell. You can tell if you have a super powered flashlight that there is something inside, but unfortunately I don't have one of those at the moment. This is really pretty. Make some kind of cool cabochons, I think. This is what I love about Montana agates, is that every single one of them is completely different.
Well, that's it for today, I guess. Thanks for coming along. I hope you enjoyed yourself. If you want to share in the treasures and support the channel, do check out my Etsy store, Katie Did Rocks. The link is in the description below. Thanks for coming along, and keep on doing.